In the previous video, we added a show count button to display how many names are in our database. But now, what if you want to delete them all with one click? Yep, in this video, we're adding a delete all button with a confirmation pop-up just to be safe. First, we import this. This gives us access to pop-up dialogs, which lets us ask the user, "Are you sure?" before doing something risky like deleting everything. Now let's create the button. We're calling it delete all, making it red so it stands out. Let's run the app and see what happens. Yep, a new red button appears. But of course, right now it doesn't do anything. So let's write the delete all function. Here's what the function does. First, we show a confirmation dialog. Are you sure? If the user clicks yes, then we connect to the database and run delete from people to clear all the names. Then we refresh the list and update the count label to show total people 0. Now we need to add this function to the button, because we want this function to run only when the user clicks the delete all button. That's how we connect the button to the action. Click the delete all button. A warning appears. Click yes, and boom, everything is gone, clean and confirmed. Now you have full control over your list, from adding, searching, updating, and deleting, even deleting everything. See you in the next one.